Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how can we use the crop tool in the Photoshop. I'm going to use this image to crop this image. Let's begin. Um, you can select the crop tool from your toolbar by clicking on it, or from the keyboard you can just press the key button C and it will automatically select your crop tool. Here I have just pressed the shortcut key C from the keyboard, C on the keyboard, and it is selected and the crop tool is selected. Now click on the center of the image and you can see that the cropped bars are there. By holding your shift button you can resize the image with the equal height and width, and when you click on the image in the middle and move your image, you can change the right portion from where you want to crop it. After you have satisfied with the crop of the image you want to crop, you either press the tick button on the top of the bar or press enter. Yeah, you can see that the image is just cropped and the remaining parts is disappeared. Let's go back again, Ctrl plus G to go bring the original image. Again press C from the keyboard to select the crop tool and click the crop tool. Now if you want the borders outside the crop tool, just hold the Alt button and bring outside the border. Here you can see that you have put the border outside the crop tool. If you do it from at the corner, it will resize the height and width equally. That's it. Once you're satisfied, you press it done. That's done. Now if you want to swap the orientations of your crop tool, you just need to press the X button from the keyboard. Here you can see that it is the vertical orientation now, and when I press it X again, it goes into the horizontal orientation, and press it OK once done. Now you can see that when I try to move the bar, only the background image is moving. So if you want to move the crop toolbar, then press the P button from the keyboard, and here you can see that like the crop toolbar is selected. Now you can move the bar wherever you like. To go into the default positions, press the P again from the keyboard. That will move back to the default position, and now you can see the image is moving, not the bar. Now in the crop tool, if you wanna see when you put the crop tool and by holding the Alt button, when you want to see how the final cropped versions looks like, you just press the button H from the keyboard, and you can see that the outer part is gone. After corruption, your image will be looks like this. So press the button H again to get that outer part back. To add the border around your image by using the crop tool, first it's a good idea to make a copy of your original layer. Drag and drop on the plus icon. Now you have two layers, one is background layer and the other is background copy layer. So select your crop tool by pressing the C button from the keyboard, and now by holding the Alt, drag from the edge to the outer part and release your mouse and Alt button. Now you can see that the background is filled with green because I have the green background over here. If you want to stretch your image, you can use the stretcher here. You can see that stretcher, select this one and make a one straight line from starting point to the ending point and release your mouse, and you can see that the image is rotated and the fence I wanted to have straight is straight now, and press OK or enter from your keyboard, and now you can see that the image is straight. You started with the crop and you realize that you are not happy with the crop part. You can go back it by pressing the escape button. If you press outside the crop tool, the image will be cropped. So go back, Ctrl J to go back in the image. So let's try it again. Use the crop tool. Now when you press escape, you can see that the crop tool will be disappear and the original image will be there without crop. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe, and make sure you comment to me how is my video and I will try to improve it. Thank you.